Adjectives, degrees of comparison: young, younger, youngest, small, smaller, smallest, easy, easier, easiest, expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. So, adjectives, for the degrees of comparison, we are going to see. Here we will see how adjectives are used at different degrees, at different levels. In this chapter, you will read about the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Examples are given here. Garima is a tall girl. Shreya is taller than Garima. Veena is the tallest girl in the class. So here, first sentence tall, in second sentence taller, third sentence tallest. These are highlighted words and they are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe the nouns. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. To compare, we use 3 degrees, 3 levels: positive, comparative, and superlative. In the first sentence, the adjective tall describes Garima. How is Garima? Tall. It is an adjective of quality and is in the positive degree. Positive degree means there is no comparison. It's simply talk about Garima. In the second sentence, taller is an adjective of the comparative degree. It compares Shreya and Garima and shows that Shreya is the taller of the two. So between Shreya and Garima, Shreya is taller. So there is comparison. The comparative degree is used when we compare two nouns or pronouns. So in positive degree, no comparison. Comparative degree, to comparison. Third is the adjective tallest shows that Veena has more of the quality of being tall than any other girl in the class. The adjective tallest is in the superlative degree. The superlative degree is used when more than two nouns or pronouns are compared. So more than two nouns are compared and one comparison is out of all. Here tallest means the one who is the best. So here tallest is who? Veena. So remember this thing. In positive degree, no comparison. In comparative degree, two comparison. And superlative degree, more than two comparison. Now here is the question, how do we form comparative and superlatives? So there are the rules you will remember. Adjectives of one syllable form their comparatives with the addition of the suffix er. If there is a syllable is the vowel sound. One vowel sound makes one syllable. So you will count a syllable in the adjectives. If there is one syllable, so you will just add er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. And with superlative degree, we usually use the before the adjective. Example: old, older, oldest, cold, colder, coldest. Today is the coldest day in December. So December, there are 31 days. From all 31 days, today is the coldest day. Adjectives that end in y form their comparatives by replacing the y with IER. Y will become I, and in comparative degree we put ER. Y will become I, and in superlative degree we put EST. Examples are given here: busy, busier, busiest; lazy, lazier, laziest. Adjectives that end in E. If already E is given, just put R and ST. R for comparative, ST for superlative. Fine, finer, finest; safe, safer, safest. For adjectives that end with a vowel and a consonant, see the combination. If vowel come and consonant come, we double the last consonant. Suppose thin, so we double N here, and we put ER for comparative, and for superlative we put ST. So double N ER, double N EST. Thin, thinner; sad, sadder; sad, saddest. Most adjectives with more than one syllable form their comparatives by the addition of more before them, and their superlatives with the addition of most. Suppose there are more syllable, not one syllable. Okay. Difficult. In difficult, you will find two syllables, three syllables. Difficult, three syllable. Beautiful, beautiful, three syllable. So you will put more difficult, most difficult; more beautiful, most beautiful. How do we form these degrees of comparison for adjective? By seeing the syllable. Okay, you will see the sound. Difficult, beautiful. So we will not put ER and EST at last. Instead of those, we put more and most. Some irregular adjectives are there. They do not follow any rules given above. Examples are good, better, best; bad, was, worst; much more, most; many more, most; little, less, least. So here is also said what I told you, that if we are using more and most before the adjective, we never use ER or EST at last. So I hope you all understood these degrees of comparison. If you will be having any doubt, just let me know. Thank you. Bye bye. Please like, comment and share. If you are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe.